Wind here. In today's video, I wanted to show how we can use built-in regular expressions for validation on variables in catalog items. Now, in the past, we've had to do this essentially writing scripts in client scripts to essentially validate if an input is what we want it to be. But there is a way to do this specifically for variables out of the box functionality. So let's go right into it. So we have our catalog item. I've created a demo one just to showcase this functionality, and these are my variables. So the out of the box ones we have is for URL, IP address, email, and number. So I will go over these and show what this looks like, and then also we will go into how we can add to this list via phone number, and how you can essentially add your own regex and validation regex. Okay, so let's go into the variable quickly. So under the variable, if we go back to the first, so this is the question, this is where you would name it. If you then go to your type specifications tab, you can see we have a validation regex, and over here you can select the out of the box ones that's available. So we have email, IP address, number, URL. So I've created the top four just to showcase this functionality working. So if I just go back to update, so what I will do now is quickly just try this, and you can see the four fields. So let's just quickly show this working. So if I do test, we can see that's not a valid URL. So if I add in the syntax of www, we can see it is. Similar with IP address, add in IP address, it would work. And similar with email. So if I just do this, not a valid email. If I add in text instead of number, not a number. So you could change the info message or error message to provide a little bit more detail. So I will show that now. So let's say we wanted to go and essentially edit this. If you just go to your variable validation regex module, so let's leave this. And over here we can see a record. So let's go into email. As you can see here, this is the validation message, and this is the regular expression it's using. So for this, let's just say please add so you see there's a limited syntax, so let's add this for now, but you could always change that field out of the box if you wanted to. So that's one change we've done. And then the other I wanted to show was to essentially create a new one. So I've created one already in a phone number. I've just made it inactive. So we've got in our validation phone number. I'm going to make this active now. Let's save this and let's go back to catalog items so we can show this working. So okay, so we are here now. So if I go to my variables, let's go to phone number for now. So I want to essentially make this active just to showcase it's working. So validation regex phone number, as you can see now, it's included in this list. Let's update this and let's try it. Great, so we can see phone numbers added. Let's add URL. So let's see if we add test. Okay, that should have added a bit more info message. We could check that later. Let's look at the phone number. So if I add in 44, add in the country code, and then let's add in 9 numbers, and there we go. We can see that it's working. So if I just take one away, let's just add in. We can see input is not correct. So essentially we can see our validation working. So I hope that's helped give you a demonstration of how you can use this. If you have any questions, please let me know, and happy to help. Thank you. Bye.